Briefly Today News, July 27th, 2026. News Wrap. CDC reports more measles cases so far this year than in all of 2025.
We start the day's headlines with health updates. The CDC reports more measles cases so far this year than in all of 2025. Nathan Hayes with Briefly Today News will bring you the latest from PBS News Hour News Wrap on the rising measles cases and then bring in our analyst. With me is Jordan Ellis. Jordan, what are the details on this outbreak?
The latest CDC data shows a significant increase in measles cases this year compared to the previous record-breaking year, with over 2,300 infections reported nationwide, surpassing the 2025 total and marking the worst year for measles since 1991. This surge coincides with Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s highlighting of vaccine risks, raising concerns about public health messaging. The CDC also reports that a cyclosporiasis outbreak linked to iceberg lettuce from Mexico has expanded to 4 additional states, bringing the total to 9 and affecting areas like Illinois, Kansas, and Oklahoma.
This is the worst year for measles in some time. What are the potential causes?
The resurgence of measles, with more than 2,300 cases reported this year alone, underscores the critical importance of vaccination in preventing outbreaks. Health Secretary Kennedy's stance, as well as the 2019 outbreak of a now famous disease, are likely top culprits. How that was handled has likely contributed to vaccine hesitancy among some communities, making them particularly vulnerable. For instance, recent outbreaks in South Carolina, Utah, and Arizona have sickened hundreds, with most cases occurring in unvaccinated individuals. This highlights the need for robust public health messaging and education campaigns to address misinformation and promote vaccination.
What is the real concern here?
This spike is particularly concerning given that most affected individuals are unvaccinated, highlighting the critical role of vaccination programs and how they can help reduce the spread of these types of communicable diseases. However, millions of people are truly skeptical of vaccinations and their side effect considering how recent outbreaks were handled. People are truly questioning the motivation of companies that have stakes in those programs and how governments handled outbreaks in the past. In a nutshell, the skepticism for these types of vaccines can be attributed to a growing distrust between people, government, and corporations who have had perceived incentives to skew or provide misinformation.
Thank you, Jordan, for the analysis. As measles cases surge, robust vaccination programs and evidence-based policies remain crucial to preventing future outbreaks.
You've been watching Briefly Today News. Follow for the next brief.